If you bought a Jio SIM anytime before this video was uploaded, it is likely that you would have spent rupees 99 to get Jio's Prime membership. Last midnight, Jio's Prime membership expired for everyone, and now Reliance Jio is giving its previous Prime customers a chance to renew their Prime membership for free for another year. Hi guys, this is Kritin Kalra for Android Guider, and in this video, I will be showing you how to renew your Jio Prime membership for free. Firstly, you will have to install My Jio's application. I have put down the link for both the iOS and Android applications in the description box. So install the application, and once it's installed, open it up. You will see a red banner at the top. In case you don't see the banner, simply swipe down from the top to reload the contents of the application, and now you must get that banner. On the banner, you will see a Get Now. You will see a Get Now button in the right edge. Tap on it. You will be directed to a page where you might be asked to enter your mobile number and Aadhaar number. I used the word might because I extended mine and a friend's Jio Prime membership, and on my friend's phone I had to enter his mobile number and the Aadhaar number, while I didn't have to do anything such on my mobile phone. Anyway, if you do have to enter the Aadhaar number, make sure it is of the person who owns the connection. Once you have filled out the Aadhaar number, that is if you had to, tap on proceed, and you will get the message request raised successfully. After this, you need not worry since the Prime membership will automatically be renewed. If you wish to check the status of your request, open the My Jio app once again, swipe to the right, or you can tap on the hamburger icon in the top left and click on My Plans in the menu that shows up. You might also have noticed the text in gray in between those two cards, which reads as renews on April 1, 2018. 12:46 a.m. So I got that request raised successfully message, which we got in the last step. I got that message at 12:43 a.m. and I initially thought that my Prime membership will be renewed for 1 year. That is, it will be renewed straight away to 2019 at 12:46 a.m. because that's what the message stated. However, when I later on checked my plans in the My Jio app, I found out that the renewal date had been changed to April to 2018. So there wasn't any change in the year as I was expecting. I expected the year to change to 2019. So apparently the Prime membership will be renewed daily for another year. I thought of mentioning this because if sometime later on you open My Plans and you find that the year hasn't been changed, so I just didn't want anyone to confuse themselves. So I hope this clears things up, but again, I'm not really very sure if that's the case, or whether the Prime membership or whether Jio will sometime later on directly extend the Prime membership to March 31. But as that message reads, we can enjoy Jio Prime for another year. There we have it, guys. We have successfully renewed the Prime membership for another year, that is till 2019. Well, that sums up the video, guys. In case you like the video, please do upvote it, and to get alerts of our future videos, do subscribe to our channel as well. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day, take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Adios.